Tootie. And in they go. Let's come over here and put our sandwich together. You want to?
I do.
Okay, we got our English muffins, buns. Look here what I got.
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. So what do you think?
I think we should go supreme with the donuts.
I'm game if you are.
Game of lane, honey.
Oh, I'm game. Okay, we got our burger. Got our eggs. Got a couple of pieces of bacon. We got our sweet and our savory. Cut. Okay, so what do I say next?
When the girls see this.
Oh, okay. When the girls see this, they're all gonna say, y'all are out of your crazy minds. Ready? Have a taste. What does it taste like?
Like a slice of heaven.
I've never done this before, y'all, in my entire life. We're gonna be arrested. It's stinking wonderful. Stay right here, y'all, while I'll come back.
And when we come back, we'll have a fruit pop made sure to delight your brunch.